Today we're going to learn about the area of an obtuse triangle using height and base. The vocabulary you need for this lesson is an obtuse triangle, where an obtuse triangle has angles that are more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Second word is base. Base means it's the base of a parallelogram can be chosen to be any one of its four sides, and it's always represented as the letter B. And it actually means the length of the base. Height is where it's chosen. It's a line segment that has these two properties where it's perpendicular to the base and it connects the base or an extension of the base to a vertex of the parallelogram that is not on the base. What we first need to do is label the height in this triangle. So let's say this side is the base. Where would you say the height is to this triangle? So this is how you find the height. You go to the altitude of where the base lies, and the height just lies right across from that base. So this is where the height would be considered in this triangle. Let's do one more into how we found the base in a triangle. Let's say the triangle looks like this. And we'll call this side the base as of right now. From what we just discussed on the last slide, where would the height be in this triangle? The height would show as of the opposite side of the base, which would be located as drawn here. So let's find the area of this triangle. Let's say one side is 24 inches, the second leg is 10 inches, and the third part is 42 inches. And we're just going to consider the 24 inches as the base. So let's find the height first. How would you find the height from the base? That's right, it's opposing from the base, so it'd be right where I drew it right here. And according to this equation, we were able to find 8 inches was given to us as the height, so we'll mark that down. Now, the formula for locating the area of a triangle is considered area equals half of base times height. So what is half of the base? Correct, it would be 12. So it would be half of 12, or half of 24 times 8. So half of 24 would be 12 times 8. Now what would be the answer for that? That's correct. The area of this triangle would be 96 inches squared. We're going to do one more example of how to find the area of an obtuse triangle. Here's the triangle we're going to work with. One side is 75.8 kilometers. The second side is 29.2 kilometers. And the third side is 100.5 kilometers. Again, to find area for a triangle is area equals half of base times height. In this case, let's make the base 75.8 kilometers. Where was the height again in this triangle? That's correct. The 29.2 would be the height in this triangle as shown here. So putting it into the equation, it would be half of 75.8 kilometers times 29.2 kilometers. So to find half of 75.8, you can do 75.8 divided by 2, and that'll give you 37.9 kilometers. Now you multiply that by 29.2, what do you get for the area of this triangle? The answer would be 1,106.68 kilometers squared. That is the area of this triangle. And now you know how to find the area of an obtuse triangle using height and base. Until next time.